Hi, Opie. Opie's such a good boy. See, I've been waiting for 6 months for a home. My daddy died and I have no place to go. I'm just an old guy, needs a home of my own. Opie, you're a good boy. You good boy, Ope. You got 3 legs and special needs. I don't act like I'm special needs. You're such a good boy. Oh, you're so good boy. I wish we could get you a home, honey. Poor Opie. Poor Opers. You good boy.